In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete all the comments you've made on YouTube. So let's get started. First of all, launch into your YouTube application. Then click on your profile on the right bottom corner. Then click on the settings up here. Then you scroll down a little. You click on manage all history. Once it's open, click on interactions. Then you click on comments and replies. Here you can see all the comments you've made on YouTube. So to delete the comments, you just click on this times sign here. The comment has been deleted. So this is how to go about it. If you find this video helpful, do well to like, share, subscribe. See you in my next video.